Okay, so now this is in AP. It is an AP now. If it is an AP, what should we do? We should write three more terms. So they gave you A1, A2, A3, A4, right? So now we need to write A5, A6, A7. Okay, so how to write that? Just it's a very simple. So here A5, A5 in the sense you can write it as A plus 4D. A5 is nothing but A plus 4D, and A6 you can write as A plus 5D, and here A7 is equals to A plus 6D. So you can write like this. Now you substitute the A value. We know what is A value. A value is nothing but 2, right? Here A value is nothing but 2. So substitute here, and can you find the A5? If you can find A5 value, so that is 2 plus 4 times D. D is, what is D? That is 0.5. Okay, now simplify this. Simplify. So that is A5, which is equals to 2 plus 4 times 0.5. That is half of 4 times 0 off. That is nothing but 2. So therefore A5, which is equals to 4. So next A6. A6 is equals to, here A value. A value is nothing but 2 plus 5 into D value is nothing but 0.2. Sorry, 0.5. Okay, 0.5. So 0.5. So 0.5 into 5. It is nothing but 2.5. So 2 plus here, that is 0.5 into 5 is 2.5. So which is equals to 4.5. So that is A6 is 4.5. Then A7. A7 is nothing but A plus 6 into 0.5. So which is equals to A plus, so that is, what is A? That is nothing but 2. 2 plus 6 into 0.5 is 3. So which is equals to 5. That is A7, which is equals to 5. So therefore next three terms, so A5, A6 and A7, which is equals to 4 comma 4.5 comma 5. Is it clear? Yes, we'll solve some more problems now. So these are the next three terms. We'll go for next problems now. Now do one thing. Second one is simple. So the third one is simple. So do this in the home. Do it by yourself, and even fourth one also do it by yourself. So I'll try with the fifth one now. Okay, it seems to be different. I'll try with the fifth one. Okay, for fifth one. So the first is 3 plus root 2, then 3 plus 2 root 2, then 3 plus 3 root 2. Okay, so it is simple. So first write out what is A1, A2 and all those things. A1 is 3, so A2 is equals to 3 plus root 2, then A3 is equals to 3 plus 2 root 2, and A4 is equals to 3 plus 3 root 2. Now what we should do, first we should verify whether it is an AP. So we have to see what they given. If they are form an AP, first you have to check whether it's an AP. If it is AP, you have to find the common difference, and if it is common difference is same, then you have to find three more terms. Okay, okay. Now we have to find the difference, common difference. D1, so it is A2 minus A1. D2, that is A2 A3 minus A2, and D3, which is equals to A4 minus A3. Okay, so now D1. So D1, so here A2, what is A2? So 3 plus root 2 minus 3. Doesn't? Why? Because A1 is 3. Now what happened? First plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. So D1 is equals to root 2. Okay, so next d2 which is equals to a3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus of 3 plus root 2. Okay, now simplify here. D2 which is equals to 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. Why? Because I am multiplying minus into inside the brackets. So here plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. So therefore d2 which is equals to 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2. Why? Because nothing is there in the sense we can write here 1. So it is 1 root 2. So now 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2. This type of problems we studied in the last year in the number system chapter. I hope you remembered. You can take out your root 2 as common. If you take out root 2 as common, so what will remain? So 2 minus 1. What is 2 minus 1? So root 2 into 2 minus 1 is nothing but root 2. So which is equals to root 2. Therefore d2 is also is equals to root 2. Okay, next d3. So d3 is, so d3 which is equals to a4, that is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus a3. a3 is 3 plus 2 root 2. So now d3 which is equals to 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus, as I say, 3 minus 3 root 2. 3 minus, sorry, 2 root 2. So now here plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. Plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. d3 which is equals to 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Here also the same. Root 2 is there. Take out root 2 as common. So then what remains? 3 minus 2. What is 3 minus 2? 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1. So therefore root 2 into 1. Root 2 into 1 which is equals to root 2 only. So therefore d3 which is equals to root 2. So d1 is root 2, d2 is root 2 and d3 is root 2. Therefore the common difference is same. If the common difference is same, so therefore it is an AP. It is an AP. Okay, it is an AP. If it is an AP, so you should write still 3 more terms. Okay, now that is A5, A6 and A7. A5, that is A plus what? What? Yes, it is nothing but 4D. Then A6. What is A6? Is very good. That is A plus 5D. And what is A7? A7 which is equals to A plus 6D. See here, it is same for everything. Why? Because here 7 is there, here 6 is there, here 6 is there, here 5 is there, here 5, here 4. One number is less. Okay. So now we know that A5 which is equals to A value is, what is A value? A1, that is 3, isn't? So 3 plus 4 into root 2. Finish. So next A6. A6 is equals to 3 plus 5 root 2. No, and we're not able to simplify it further. Leave as it is. A7 is equals to 3 plus 6 root 2. So therefore A5, A6 and A7. These are the 4 terms we obtained. I hope it is clear to all of you. Yes. So what is the next problem? So next problem, we'll go. I'll solve this sixth one now. Okay, I'll solve sixth problem. Okay, now see here a1 which is equals to 0.2 and a2 which is equals to 0.22, a3 which is equals to 0.222, a4 which is equals to 0.2222. Okay, now we have to verify whether the given terms are in AP or not. So how to find? Just you find the difference. D is equals to A2 minus A1. D2 is equals D2 is equals to A3 minus A2. Okay, and D3 is equals to A3 minus A4 minus A2, isn't? Okay, here D1, D2, D3. So if we subtract that, we'll get 0.2, and D2 will got here 0.02, and D3 is 0.002. So therefore D1 is not equal to D2 is not equal. D1, D2, D3 are not equal. So therefore it is not an AP. If it's not an AP, no need to find the next terms. Okay. So then the remaining 7th and 8th, do it by yourself in the classwork only. Okay. I hope all of you will do this. Okay. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.